Mr. Softy was in the building all day today. It was a great trade. We're just going to do a quick review here and then get back to the action. Obviously, on a Fed day, you got to watch your key levels. And we came in today. You can see Microsoft. Not only is it Fed day, but they reported last night, so you get some big time action happening on Microsoft. At one point, it was up 6%. Now only up that 2.25 or 2 3/4 right now. So this is what we did early. Let's just talk about this real quick. We put down here 298. We looked at that. That was the pre-market low. Unfortunately, we'd have to zoom back to see some of those levels, but believe me when I tell you, 298 was a key level yesterday. They came out with guidance late and the stock popped from 270 basically to 300 and never broke 298. So what we wind up doing is just putting a line here and saying, you know what, we're going to defend that 298. If they want to break it, fine. Then Microsoft will turn red or it'll turn, really turn to negative. And then we can look at 295 or something like that. But I wanted to be able to hold on to something today on the Microsoft side. So when you're doing that, we always get questions about risk management. You have to have an out, right? And so real early, man, right when the market stops, or opens, sorry, we're not even sure if it's going to get down here. So we just start buying. And then all of a sudden, boom, boom, pops. We're using the 50 period on a 1 minute, which seems to be pretty good for us for a directional change. Maybe not on earnings. We'll reevaluate that. But we just start taking some bids and popping them out. And you might say, well, those aren't big wins, right? But they're actually not too bad. Some of these prices, as I look here, are like 300, 301. So what we're trying to do right now is just defend 300, right? Because we're not at that 298 level yet. So we want to defend 300 right here. So we start buying and start getting some out like 302, 302.50, making that dollar back and forth. There's lots of ways to trade. I prefer when there's a lot of volume and a lot of action that I make multiple entries and exits. That's my style. I'm going to talk about one that we held all the way here, but in the beginning, we just scalped it down. We could see the trend is down, right? This pink all the way down, it doesn't start to turn till about 11 o'clock where momentum goes back up to the upside, and then you're seeing it turn now, and wow, okay, Microsoft down to 295. Good thing we're staying out of the way of that one. But now we defend this 298. Multiple outs, all near 299.50, 300 again, right? So these are multiple dollar wins or pennies, dollars as you go to the upside. Then it gets real spicy. This last time, you see the last trade that we have here at 298, some of the outs are earlier than these ones. Why? Because one time, two times, three times, how many times are we going to test those bottoms? So this was our strategy. Let's get out for 50 cents, 70 cents, and then let's hold the last third of the trade just in case this bottom does hold. So it does exactly that. It holds it. We actually wind up holding this trade from 10:45 all the way till 1 o'clock. So it's a big trade for me. And then that's a long at 298, and that's an out at 303.50 or 303 and change right there. And we get out because, again, the 50 period was up there at that time. So it cracks down below and we wind up getting out. Then all of a sudden, and I'll make this quick because we want to get back to trading, but you can see Fed comes out, we let it settle down, it breaks the day's high right there. I mean, forget about this open, but it breaks the recent day's high there. Let's call it the period high, the afternoon. Takes this out at 304, we go long. Look at some of these outs. Our best out is 305.25, getting it out, taking more money, stacking cash right now, and then it comes back down. We start to defend the 300 area. It works. Those are dollar. Then we lose 30 cents once it takes out 300. Then we tried it one more time. We take the long. We get out there. That's another long right there. It breaks down below 298, guys. We didn't even notice it. We were looking at other stuff. It breaks down below 298. We sit there at 296. Remember where our defense was? 295. You can't see it here because we're not going back that far, but we take that 296. Look at the out, 297.50, another $1.50. I have no idea how much money per PL I'm up on Microsoft today, but today is a good day on this name. Notice we're not in this name now. Let it fall down, man. We got to find some new levels. We have to zoom back out. We always say, look out, zoom out, look to find some new levels on that one. So we'll see if we can do that on Microsoft. It's your trade of the day, and I'm losing my voice.